هنوز فرق do و make رو نمیدونی، احتمالاً هر روز داری یکیشون رو اشتباه استفاده میکنی. ولی نگران نباش، توی کمتر از 2 دقیقه یادش میگیری. Do. For examples, I do my homework every day. I do my homework every day. Or she does the dishes. She does the dishes. Make. For examples, I make breakfast every day. I make breakfast every day. Or she made the cake. She made the cake. پس do میشه انجام دادن یک کار، مثل do homework, do exercise, do the dishes. make هم میشه ساختن یا ایجاد کردن چیزی، مثل make food, make coffee, make a cake, make a mistake. پس نمیگیم make homework، میگیم do homework. و حالا یه سوال برای تو. I blank the laundry every Sunday. I blank the laundry every Sunday. She blank a decision very quickly. She blank a decision very quickly. منتظر جوابتون هستم.